Hello everybody, welcome back for another chapter series of lesson videos. For this chapter 3, we are going to be talking about expansion and factorization of quadratic expansions. For this first video, we are going to do a recap on quadratic expressions and like terms. Do you remember what is a quadratic equation? What are like terms? How does the grouping and simplifying of like terms work? For quadratic equations are equations where the highest power of the variable or the unknown is 2. For example, you will note that for all these 5 equations, the highest power of the variable or the unknown is actually 2. Therefore, all these equations are quadratic equations. For like terms are terms whose variables are the same. For example, 6x, x, negative 3x. All are like terms because the variables are all x. This is regardless of the difference in their coefficient. 3x squared, x squared, and negative 6x squared. All these are also like terms because their variables are all in terms of x squared. Again, this is regardless of the differences in their coefficients. Unlike terms. Unlike terms are terms whose variables are not the same. For example, 6x, xy, and negative 6x squared. All these are unlike terms because their variables are all different. Now, why is it important to differentiate between like terms and unlike terms? This is because like terms can be added and subtracted. For example, 6x plus x, you will get 7x. 3x squared minus x squared equals to 2x squared. So basically, like terms can be grouped or combined together. Now, it is time for some practice questions. Please practice the basic level question 1 questions in exercise 3A. Okay, this is the end of the lesson. We will see you in school in the next lesson.